In today's video, I will walk you through how to create and print barcode labels in Shopify. To begin, go to your Shopify dashboard and look at the left-hand panel. From there, click on Apps. This is where you can access and manage tools that work with your Shopify store. Once you're inside the Apps section, use the search function to search for retail barcode labels. When the app appears in the search results, click on it to open its page. After opening the app page, locate the Install button and click it. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once the app has been installed, it will automatically open within your Shopify admin dashboard. When the app opens, you will be taken to its main interface. On this screen, click Get Started to begin the barcode label creation process. After selecting Get Started, click on Create Barcodes. This will take you to the section where you can begin setting up your barcode labels. Next, choose a label type for your barcode template. Select the label type you want to use for your barcode labels. Make your selection and continue once you have chosen the template that fits your needs. After selecting the label type, review your settings and prepare the labels for printing. When you're ready to continue, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click Print Labels. Once you select Print Labels, you'll be prompted to choose the products that you want barcode labels for. Browse through your inventory and select the products you want to include. You can choose individual products or select multiple products depending on the labels you need to print. Continue selecting products until you have included everything required. After selecting your products, review the information shown on the screen to make sure the correct items have been chosen. Confirm that the label type and product selections are correct. When everything looks right, continue with the printing process using the options provided within the Retail Barcode Labels app. The app will generate barcode labels for the products you selected using the label template you chose earlier in the process. To quickly recap, go to Apps, search for Retail Barcode Labels, open the app page, install the app, click Get Started, select Create Barcodes, choose a label type, click Print Labels, and then select the products you want labels for. Once you've completed those steps, your barcode labels will be created and ready to print. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created and printed barcode labels directly from your Shopify dashboard using the Retail Barcode Labels app. Thank you for watching.